Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Let's have a close look at the Air Jordan 4 University Blue. A little bit late on this, but I had to wait for a good deal in order to acquire one. As always, I got straight L's on this when it first launched. This is one of the many University Blue colorway released across different models in 2021, and I like all of them. Not usually a light blue kind of guy, but with any of the Jordan sneakers, I feel like they just work and it's hard to get it wrong. The suede on this is incredible. I also have the University Blue Jordan 1 highs, and the suede on those is already dead. Aside from the fact that the QC on those were horrible to begin with. This, however, has a different level of liveliness to its suede. Style-wise, this is a bit of an attention grabber, given its color and silhouette, so you have to start from the bottom on this and make sure that whatever you wear going up works with it. I'll probably relace this to black to be more flexible and a little bit more subdued. Also make it look like a poor man's Travis Scott Force. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.